stomach. ఎదురెక్కిగా
Good morning to one and all. My name is C.H. Vangansi. I am studying 9th class in our Shweta English Medium School, Kanjing Charla. Today I prepared the model of the borewell. It is some materials of using wooden battery and switch and electric motor. This is injections. These are saline tubes. How to its work? Its works is electric motor. This is battery. On switch on. It's working. It's working. It is useful to the commonly borewells. We use the dug the pipes. We send the pipes through the borewell for the get the water. That's enough. Thank you. Have a nice.